Okay, magandang araw naman po. Ito naman po si Attorney ang legal counsel tsaka spokesman ng Elias Band ni Ma'am Beverly Labad-Labad na kanyang manager at saka kay Elias din. So I think we are making this press statement because the fans and the followers deserves to know kung ano na mga updates sa mga ginawa natin. So unang-una, tungkol doon sa case ni Gerald Sanoy na dating gitarista ni Elias. So we had a hearing last Monday and everything is settled now. So meron ng resolution doon sa kanyang problema at sa kanyang predicament. So settled na tayo. So we'll issue a letter that Gerald is no longer part of the band. So everyone must move on. Move on na tayo. So hindi na natin galawin yung issue para wala na. So everything will be put on in place to. At saka pangalawa doon kay Joanne na nag-post about mapriso si Elias. Settled na rin kami. She took down her post and then she sent me an apology, statement of apology and promise not to do it again. Pangatlo, about cyber libel. Currently, we are preparing at least 6 cases of serious cyber libel cases na tinitirahan si Ma'am Beverly, tinitirahan ng Elias Band, ridicule, pakaulaw, maliciously. So right now, we are now building up the case and we'll just let you know kung ano na, kung na-file na. But in the meantime, we cannot discuss it publicly, including the names, because they will be filed soon with the proper authorities. So time and again, like to repeat, the cyber libel is a very serious crime. Let's avoid it. Kasi mas malaki ang piyansa, mas malaki ang penalty, mas malaki ang damages, mas mahaba ang imprisonment because of the publication of cyber libel na aabot sa buong mundo. So let's avoid this. So right now, relax lang tayo, continue praying for Elias Band, Ma'am Beverly, and of course, patuloy ang pag-entertain ni Elias sa ating mga katawan. So maraming salamat po at God bless sa lahat ng mga followers at fans.